Hello, this is Mrs. Tennyson, the librarian at Atlantic Middle School, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about U.S. History Database, which is found on thomascrainlibrary.org. It can be found under the Kids and Families tab under Homework Help. If we scroll down about halfway, you'll find it here. We can click on the link, and you'll see that there are two different ways to start your search. If you already know what you want to look up, you can start with the search bar. Otherwise, if you're not sure what you're going to be looking up, you can scroll down to the topics of interest or browse a topic. You can continue all the way down and browse all 414 topics. For this example, we're going to use the search bar. I'm going to be looking up the Great Depression. As you can see, there are a lot of different types of materials that we have, which are shown under the Showing Results for. You can also filter your results over here on the right, which would show us either content level or your reading level. So for this example, we're going to be looking at the Dust Bowl. You can see here that it has the full article, and it gives you more topics that you can look at. One thing that I think is interesting and great is the fact that it creates the citation for you. You can send it to a friend or a teacher. You can download it so that you can share it more easily on something like Google Classroom. One thing to keep in mind is that this up here is kind of a junk link. So if you want to be able to find this exact article later on, you'll want to be getting to Get Link. It's easier for you to share mostly because it's a bit shorter, but also because it's an easier external link. One of the other nice things is the fact that if you decide to highlight something, you can choose to highlight it, take a note on it, or find the definition of a word. It will save these highlights and notes under this note right here. Right now, I don't have anything highlighted or saved, so this part is empty. The other nice thing is at the very top, we can also change the language, which is up here. If you click the little down arrow, we can change it to any of the languages here that are available. I hope that helps you a little bit with how to use U.S. history. It's very, very similar to many of the other Gale and context databases. So if you've already watched one of our webcasts, then you should be all set. I hope this helps. Thank you.